Hello everyone. I am Joshna Gayatri, currently pursuing third year in Electronics and Communication Engineering at Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimwara. Today I am here to explain different types of functions. Like firstly, callback function. A callback function is a function which is passed inside another function as an argument and it is executed later. First, we take an example function named as greet, and inside the arguments are name and callback. It will print as hello, comma name. Callback function is called here, and after that we have taken another function is say goodbye, and it will print goodbye. When we call this greet and take name as Alice and callback function as say goodbye, it will print like this. Hello Alice, goodbye. And the next one is promises. Firstly, a promise is a object in JavaScript which represents the eventual completion or a failure of an asynchronous operation. Here we take an example. This is a function fetch data which returns a promises as a parameters resolve and reject. If it is success, it resolve is called as data fetched successfully, or if it is a failure, it will resolve reject is called as error fetching data. And dot then is called when there is a success, and dot catch is called when there is a failure. Dot then result gives output as result, and dot catch gives output as error. You can run here as promise .js. It will give data success fetched successfully means it is a success. The next one is async and await. Firstly, async. Async is a keyword which is used for asynchronous function, and await is used inside asynchronous functions. Async always returns a promise, and await is used inside asynchronous. It will pause the operation until async is rejected or resolved. Here we have taken an example. Here we used async keyword in before the function fetch data. It makes as asynchronous function. If it is true, if success is true, it will return data fetched successfully. If it is false, it will throw error fetching data. And async this main function is also a synchronous function. Uh, yeah, await is used inside asynchronous function. It will pause until the fetch data is resolved or rejected. After that, if it is successful, it will print the result, or if it is false, it goes to the catch block and it will returns the uh, error. And main function is called because it is also an asynchronous function. Now we can see the result here. Node sync await.js. See here, data fetched successfully. We have given a data fetched successfully because it is a success. And the next one is closure. Firstly, a closure is a function which will access the variables from its scope and also the variables from the outer scope even it is finished its execution. Firstly, use a function outer and the count is initialized to 0. After that, it will return a function inner. Here, the count variable is accessed from the outer function and it is incremented. It will print count. After that, here the outer scope is function is the outer is called. Uh, it will return the counter when counter is called. It will return the inner function. If it is called again, it will increment the count. Firstly, more closure. Yes. See, like this. If counter is called again, then it will increments like this. Next one is Todo list. First, Todo list is an app which keep tracks of the tasks we have to do or which are done. It keeps tracks of all the tasks. First, we have taken a Todo list function and we have given an array all which stores all the tasks and items here in this array. After that, we can add items to this array by using add function, and we can make it mark as completed if the function is already completed. We can mark as complete if it is due. If overdue function is used, if it will filters all the functions which are due date today, before today, like yesterday, day before yesterday, all like this. Due today will gives only the tasks which are due, which are formatted today for today, and due later is after today, and like tomorrow, like that. After that, it will display the list like this. It will, if it is completed, it will mark like this. If it's not completed, like this, it will be there, and it will gives the dates which are due today, uh, tasks which are due today, and we have also formatted date, which gives about uh, date today or like yesterday. If it is yesterday, one day before today, as like this, and one day before tomorrow, like this. And we can also add uh, functions or items like this by using add. Mm, like a title as submitted assignment. We have submitted or not. Due date will be yesterday. So if we are not submitted, it will returns false. Like that, if we paid rent or not. Due date today. If it is completed, it will returns true. Like that, we can make a list. You can add them also by using add function. After that, for printing, like we can print our due list here, due date today and due later. Thank you.